Whoa, what do you see, Adeline? Yeah, is that a cool airplane? Alright. So we are at the air show. This used to be an old military base. And then they closed it down in 1994. And now they have the SBD Fest air show. I'm doing a terrible job talking about it. We're gonna go check out a C-17. Alright, Adeline. Look at this helicopter, sweetheart. Alright, now it's time to check out the C-17. This thing's humongous. Pretty cool air show, huh? Let's see if we can go inside of it. All right, and go up. Cool, isn't it? Let's go down there, sweetheart. Let's go down. Come on, let's go outside. You want to go outside? No. Come on, sweetheart. You want to go up? Where do you want to go? We gotta wait, sweetheart. We gotta wait our turn. Can't go up there. Oh. You want to go outside? Let's go outside. Let's go through the belly of the plane. Oh. You don't want to go down there? This way? Sweetheart, we gotta to go there, we have to wait in this long line to go in the cockpit. Let's go down. Come on, sweetheart. You want to wait in line? Oh. Whoa. Come here. Let's see another airplane. Ooh, this is from Top Gun. Look at these jets. It's a F-17. I think. Maybe an F-14. Yeah, it's a jet. Wow. Look at all the missiles. Isn't that cool? Big airplane. Yeah, it's a Coast Guard helicopter, sweetheart. see what's inside.
We'll go down on the. I'll go down on the repelling. He'll work. This is our belay, so he'll work the belay system. He'll feed it down. Yeah. When we pick somebody up, we have.
That is so cool. It's. Oh, you know what? They're Navy. So I don't think they're Coast Guard. Look at that emblem, Madeline. Or maybe the Coast Guard is part of the Navy. Oh, look at all the cool things they have here. That is so cool. I got a stupid question. This is not Coast Guard, is it?
Navy.
Okay.
It looks like a Coast Guard.
I thought you guys were Coast Guard.
Yeah, because we're inland search and rescue. So
okay.
All inland commands are painted orange. Same with Coast Guard.
Okay, that's what it was confusing.
All Coast Guard helicopters are orange. So common mistake. A lot of people ask us that.
And our brain. Sometimes. It's a lot of muscle memory.
That's cool.
Brake. There is a parking brake, yes, and it's similar to like maybe what you would have in your vehicle. You know how you step on the pedal and it applies pressure. So we have that same thing too.
Can we go inside or no?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
Just be careful though. There's
Right, don't pull on anything. Okay, Adeline. Oh, what's this? Is this all the fuel?
Fuel tank. So this is our auxiliary, and we have two behind us.
Brake for I'm rolling down the road and I want my tires to.
A lot going on back here, huh?
Yeah.
Sikorsky is out of.
You like this helicopter? You're slowly learning the difference between helicopter and airplanes.
Oh.
The Hawthorne plant was the Northrop Grumman.
And these are the seats back here for you guys?
Yep.
Are they comfortable?
No.
No?
Absolutely not.
No.
So, if you can kind of see, tall people
Oh, yeah.
are at a disadvantage because you see there's no way to put your legs. There's no leg.
Oh, yeah. Now, if this was combat, this is where the gunner would be, right?
Yeah, so we, obviously where we're at now, we don't have guns. There's no reason for it, but when you're out on the ships, yeah, you can put guns on there.
That's the Yak 110. So that is.
This is so cool. You
It
having fun,
is
Edwin?
two-place E-Tech. That is
Probably wants to go down the harness.
It's a Yak 55.
Wow, look how big these engines are.
I'm going to show you a little bit of how they support the ground personnel in the air attack role with the DC-10.
Okay, let's watch this.
Based in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and they are utilizing this aircraft.
Getting tires, sweetheart?
Others here at San Bernardino, where the San Bernardino International Airport is the base of operations.
See this plane?
As they fight the Southern California fires.
This plane's gonna drop water.
When the aircraft took off, you noticed the tank that was located on the belly of the DC-10. This is the storage tank for water that is also mixed with a chemical fire retardant and stored in the belly of the aircraft.
Here she comes.
Has the capability with this tank on the belly of the aircraft of hauling almost 10,000 gallons of water and fire retardant mixture. So what you'll see here in just a moment as the aircraft is slowing down from your left, it looks like it's in the landing configuration, but the wheels are raised. It has full flaps. The crew is slowing the aircraft down to its
quick.
airspeed, and this is the same thing that they would do
Watch this.
in an actual fire drop. We're going to make two passes today, the first of which will
it's two passes, so we don't have to see this.
Approximately 4,500 to 5,000 gallons of water on this particular drop. So they approach the fire,
There we go.
get into the area where they begin their drop, open up the belly, and there goes 5,000 gallons of water and retardant. Now we have a beautiful blue sky here. They can see where they're going, but just imagine a fire situation, the sky filled with... Now from the right, 10 Tanker Corporation's DC-10, as it comes in to get set up for its second drop here this afternoon. So that's about half of the load. You saw the first half on the first drop. During the 2019 fire season, aerial tankers from 10 Tanker Corporation, just this company alone, not to mention the fact that there are other air tanker units.
See, you're a pilot and an attorney.
Fires throughout the season. Just 10 Tanker Corporation has dropped a total of 5.8
Thank you.
million gallons of water and